Welcome to this 2-minute guided power meditation designed to energize your morning. In just a short time, we will harness positive energy and motivation to transform your day. Prepare to unlock your potential and embrace the vibrant energy within you, setting a powerful tone for everything ahead. To start this meditation, choose a calm and comfortable space where you can sit peacefully. It's essential to remove any distractions and allow yourself to fully settle into the moment. This prepared environment fosters a deeper connection to your practice and enhances your overall experience. Now, let's focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely. Hold that breath for a moment, then gently exhale through your mouth. This deep breathing technique helps to center your mind, reduce stress, and create a sense of calm as you begin. As you continue to breathe, envision a warm, radiant light enveloping your body. This powerful visualization emphasizes the influx of positive energy, energizing every cell within you. Imagine this light not only uplifting your spirit but also enhancing your vitality, fostering an enduring sense of well-being and positivity. Now, allow yourself to engage in powerful affirmations, repeating phrases such as, "I am filled with energy, I attract positivity, and I am ready to conquer the day." These affirmations serve to empower your mindset, reinforcing your belief in your capabilities and preparing you to take on the day's challenges confidently. Take a moment to reflect on 3 things you are grateful for today. This practice of gratitude fosters a deeper appreciation for life and enhances positive emotions. Feel the warmth of this gratitude radiating from your heart, expanding throughout your entire being, creating a strong sense of joy and fulfillment. As we conclude this meditation, take one final deep breath to ground yourself and bring awareness back to the present moment. Gently open your eyes, carrying the sense of empowerment and positivity with you. You are now prepared to face the day's challenges with confidence and resilience.